Hop into the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle still has fewer than 35,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.